Alright, so what I carry, Cat 5 tourniquet, my EDC gun, my main EDC gun as of now, the 43X with the Shield S15 mag. Yeah, we'll get to the Shield mag versus the OEM Glock mag conversation. Ace beam, flashlight, a little bit of energy gel, Kershaw brawler, quick lighter, and let's see what else I have here. First aid. Now I carry this bag because I have gym clothes on. I'm going to the gym. But I also carry a med kit in my trunk all the time. So, quick EDC video for today. It does change on a daily basis or like depending on where I go. So, it's probably the best option is one of these small backpacks. Because you don't have to worry about, you don't have to worry about the holster not holding up when it comes to something like this. A holster will definitely fall out, or you'll actually show what you actually have. I don't think anything was made for this type of environment. This is the way to go.